Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, what do we have here? Cascadian Farm Organic. They've done it since 1972. Raisin Bran. Oh, and then I have them over here. And then I have this. This is almond milk. I don't think regular milk. Dairy milk is, well, I don't want to say disgusting, but I don't. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? Today, Mike tries this organic Raisin Bran because I'm trying to get some good grains, and I don't. And here's the deal: I don't want dairy. I don't like dairy. I'm getting almond milk. Let's check it out. Check it out. Mike tries Raisin Bran with almond milk. All right, here we have it. There's the cereal. This is the almond milk. No, almond milk, it's just made out of almonds. It's got 35 calories. It's so much better for you than cow milk. It's got 0 cholesterol. Check out cow milk. Plenty of cholesterol. Little sodium. 1 carb. 1 fiber. This is the way to go. And you mix this baby. Hey, let's talk about the cereal since we're here. Well, why not talk about it? I mean, there's your cereal. And this has got, it's got 50 grams of carbs. Those are high, but it's got 7 grams of dietary fiber and 5 grams of protein. There's nothing wrong with eating your brand. There it is, guys. Let's try it. Crunchy. You taste those sweet raisins. The milk, you don't even know it's there. And if you eat cereal for the milk, then you're doing the wrong thing. Eat cereal for the cereal. You gotta eat cereal for the cereal. And this milk doesn't get in the way. It's vegan, no saturated fats, lactose free, soy free, and they have some flavor. They're sweetened too. I mean, the cereal, ain't nothing wrong with the cereal. I like that one. I think I'll be using that one for the, what's that? Organic. I mean, can you eat healthier than this? Maybe a cheeseburger. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 on my YouTube channel. Tell people about it, please. It's one of the greatest channels. It's got over 40 million views. And it's got 110,000 subscribers. I mean, peace.
Live life 365.
And let me tell you a little about this. It's got, man, I can't stop chewing. Look at me. I'm gonna take a break. Chewing. I take another bite, but I can't stop chewing. You can't stop. And it's good, it's healthy. Mommy, please help me. Oh my gosh. I'm so full. How can I start chewing? So what I do is I eat this every other morning. Every morning I eat an apple and then hard-boiled egg. try to be healthy. I'm 112 years old. What else do I do? This is like this shirt. Look at these pineapples. And then people ask me, they go, Max, what's going on? And I go, I don't know what's going on. So I just get a little tired. This is allergies, but other than that, look at that. I look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Still got a Christmas tree up. Something's wrong. Baba.